Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to join the letters to the pictures. These are the first letters. Okay, this is K and this is a kangaroo. What is the beginning? The first letter of kangaroo. It's K. So we will join the K with the kangaroo. Okay, this is L. And this is K. Kangaroo. This is a pencil. First letter of pencil is P. So it's incorrect. This is a star. The first sound is S. So it's also incorrect. And this one is lamp. L. Lamp. Okay, and this is M. Emma. Mango. N. This is zip. This is newspaper. N. Newspaper. O. Orange. O. Orange. P. Paper. Pencil. So we will join the P with the pencil. Q. Quilt. R. Let's find the thing which is starting from R. This is a violin. Its beginning letter is V. This is a star. Its beginning letter is S. And this is a rabbit. Rabbit. S. Star. Teeter. Tree. U. Umbrella. And V. Violin. W. X-ray. Y. Yo-yo. And the last one is Z. Zip. We will go up. So, thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.